Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie, and as you can see from the title, we will be doing a easy smoky eye look. So my eyes are already prepped, so let's jump right into the look. So first we're gonna jump into the Morphe, my old faithful Morphe 350 palette. And you don't have to use this palette, you just need a neutral color to begin with. And we're taking the Morphe M507 brush to begin with, and it's just a little small bullet brush. And we are taking this color that I hit the pan on, this brown color right here, and we're just gonna pick that up. And we're just gonna place that right on our crease. Like so. We're just patting that color in. Like I said, you don't have to use this palette. You just need a neutral color to begin with. And I'm just packing that on. This is actually my second time filming this look. I tried to film it last week and it just did not come together. So we're trying it again, and hopefully this time comes out good. The look came out good. It's just the video, all in all, I was rushing and I just had came back from the dentist, so my mouth was sore, so I wasn't really talking or able to talk because it hurt so bad. But yeah, we're just packing this color on like so. And we're gonna pick up this color right here, same brush, picking up this orangey color right here, and we're placing that right on top of it, like so. I can get this video up by today. I can edit it and have it up by tonight. And as you can see, I'm packing it on and I'm blending like so. And like I always say, you add and you blend, you add and you blend. And if you lose that color, you add it again, and then, you know, so on and so forth. So next brush that I got from the drugstore, and it's like this. And we are going to pick up a dark brown, and we're gonna build that brown. So for right now, we're taking this one, and we're packing it right here, right on that lid. The dark brown right below it. Same brush, and I'm packing that right on my eye. But as you can see, we're taking that, we're packing it on. You don't want any harsh lines, so you pack and you blend like so. And now we're, same brush, we're taking the darkest brown in this palette, and we're doing the same thing, packing it on right on top. And I'm going back in with the Morphe 507 brush, and I'm just blending that dark brown out. I'm liking how that's looking, so we're gonna go into our Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And like I said, you don't have to use this palette. This palette just has the color that I need, which is black. So we're taking this e.l.f. brush, and I don't think it has a number or anything. It's the blending eye brush from e.l.f. And I'm picking up this black like so, and I'm placing it right on that dark brown, and as I'm placing it on there, I'm also blending. I'm taking my e.l.f. compact liner. It looks like this. And I'm taking some out and placing it on the back of my hand, like so. And I'm taking some primer, and the primer I'm using is the Fenty Beauty primer, and I'm placing just a little bit right on top. And I'm taking me just a brush, and this brush is from Amazon, and I'm just mixing that in. So I'm warming it up on the back of my hand, like so. And then I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna apply it on my lid. I'm going back to my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm picking up that black with that same e.l.f. brush. And I am going to set the liquid liner. Now we're gonna take our Morphe M321 brush, which is just a bullet brush. And we're just gonna blend that. And we're taking the Morphe M330 brush, which is just a fluffier, longer blending brush, and we're blending this up. And just like that, you have a smoky eye. And so my eyes are done. So I'm going to pop on my lashes, which today we're wearing. Lashes are on. NYX Pore Filter primer. I'm going to spray my face with the Mario spray. I'm going to blend that out with my Morphe. Set our faces with the Fit Me setting powder.
She a freak, yeah. She keep texting me and calling me. Yeah. I go deep, yeah. I'm gon' make her fall in love with me. Creep, she a creep, yeah. She only want me for my broccoli. Sleep, she so sleep, yeah. 'Cause I'm gon' fuck and then she gonna leave. She fell in love with the D. I fell in love with the streets. She fell in love with the door. But you know, Benji, he ain't wife in the hoe. Benji too busy getting money, too busy in the forest night. Blue fingers from cow hunters. All my life I never had none. Woke up the head in the bed. Treat the day like it's her meds. She just want me to fun.
And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.